Hi there, Candy here with a haul from scrapbook.com. I think it's pretty small from what I remember. It's been a few weeks, I think, since I placed the order. But let's take a look at what we have here. Lots of packing materials. Right, yeah, it's a pretty small haul. There was one thing that I had in mind when I placed the order, which was the magic mat, the pink one. So from what I remember, this was a free gift. Clear double-sided adhesive roll, 1/4 inch. It's a double-sided tape. So the magic mat was another one of the free gifts. This is the main reason that I placed the order. And I mean, it was pink, okay? I'll just flat out admit it. I got it because it was pink. But it's supposed to replace some of the hard acrylic plates that you use on your die cutting machine. So we'll see how it works. It's called a magic mat for a reason, I guess. It's supposed to be magic. So we'll see. And then the third, there was one more free thing. Oh, this die was also free, this Thinlits die. So this is to make these flowers with a little, it looks like a tea, almost like a teacup, I guess. But this was also a free gift. So that's what these dies look like. I don't know how often I'm going to use it, but you know, I'm not going to turn down a free gift. All right, so the rest of these items I did purchase. So let's see what I have here. I do have a couple pads of paper. So we'll start with this one called Blossom Serenity. It's a Minte paper. They are, I think, 8x8. Yeah, 8x8. And it says that there are 12 designs, 4 pages of each, and then 2 bonuses on the inside covers. So let's see what that looks like. So there's the bonus cover. And these papers are just really, really pretty. And then there's this wood grain on the back of that one. It's pretty. I mean, could be used as a background, definitely. Sorry, I'm trying to get this in frame, and it's hard to get the whole thing in frame. I would like this one. A little gingham. And I guess, didn't I see these already? Did we do 12 already? Oh, well, I guess that was it. Doesn't seem like very much, does it? And then let's see what's on the back of this one. So that's the bonus on the cover. All right, continuing on. This was Blossom Serenity. And I did get a couple, I think, of the ephemera. So I did get the Paper Elements Blossom Serenity. This says there's 6 envelopes, 8 round tags, 7 regular tags, and 6 tickets. These are very pretty. And these, I guess, are the envelopes. And you fold them up. Those are pretty. All right, and then we have this paper sticker elements. These are pretty. All right, then next up I have this Minte Paper Winged Melodies. Again, it's 8x8. So that's the back cover, or the front cover. These are really pretty papers. I do like them. Something different from what I usually get. But I wanted to do some albums with these. I think we're back to where we started. Yep, we're repeating. And let's see, did I get anything to go with that? Of course I did. Oh, here's another one of the Blossom. I'll look at that. We'll look at that one next. But I did pick up the paper elements for this one as well. Yeah, definitely not my normal style, but I do like these papers. They're very, very pretty. I love the birds. And there's the envelopes. All right, let's take a look at the paper die cuts for the Blossom Serenity collection. Whoops. And there are 60 pieces here. Lots of little flowers and butterflies. Yeah, very pretty. All right, so then we have some papers here, 12 by 12s. And these are from the Blossom Serenity collection. So I did get another one of the striped with the wood grain on the back. I really like this particular paper. And then I got some cut-aparts for the winged melodies. That's really cute with that little dog. And your little dog, too. And then I got these cut-aparts. Should have gotten 2 of these because, well, maybe I won't use too many on the back, but I do like that gingham. All right, so the only thing left are these Alice in Wonderland set. So this was Prima Marketing, and let's see, what is it called? Return to Wonderland. So let me grab something to cut this open with. It's yummy. All right, small Sammy delay. I'll be right back. All right, I'm back. So this is 6x6 paper, and Sammy's back. All right, so we're back. Let's see what we have here. These are 6x6 papers, by the way. And it says there are 26 sheets, 6 double-sided designs, and then 2 cutout pages. So let's see what they look like here. Kind of darker, but I do like them. They're very pretty. That one, that's pretty. That one's pretty too. Okay, there's the cutouts. Let's take a look at the back side of these. They are very thick paper. Very thick cardstock paper. Can't say I'm crazy about the backs, but that's okay because I like the fronts, so I'll be using those. Although I do like this one. All right, and then I picked up the journaling note cards. And it says there's 15 designs, 3 of each. That one's cute. I like that one too. Drink me. Oh, I do like these journal cards. These are nice. I knew who I was this morning, but I've changed a few times since then. I think that's true of all of us every day. That one's pretty too. Yeah, they did a good job with these journaling cards, for sure. And the backs are pretty boring though. I did notice those. Let's see. Are they all the same? And then they're all the same on the back. I like those. Those are nice. And then I did pick up the ephemera too. This is the last thing I have. 54 pieces. Again, me and packaging, we do not get along. Let me get these out of the way. Pretty. I like these too. I like this collection a lot. I wonder if there's anything else in the collection. I'm gonna have to look. My next order from scrapbook.com, I might have some more. Yeah, I like this collection a lot. I'm gonna have fun making some things with this for sure. All right, well, that was my scrapbook.com haul. Small though it was fun. Hope you enjoyed it, and please give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Please subscribe to the channel if you like these types of videos, and I will see you next time. Have a fantastic day. Bye-bye.